For years, rumors have swirled about a secret Tesla project hidden deep inside Elon Musk's Gigafactories. People called it everything from Project Redwood to the $25,000 Tesla. But now, leaked images, insider reports, and factory footage are revealing the truth, and it looks like the long-awaited Tesla Model 2 might finally be real. The story begins back in 2020, when Elon Musk stood on stage and promised a revolutionary shift in electric cars, an affordable Tesla that everyone could own. The promise sounded impossible. A compact EV, built for the masses, with Tesla's signature range, performance, and software at just $25,000. Many doubted it would ever happen. But Musk was serious. Behind the scenes, Tesla engineers were working on a new platform, smaller, lighter, and cheaper to produce than any car Tesla had ever built. It was called the next-gen architecture, and it would be the foundation for multiple upcoming vehicles, including a small hatchback known internally as the Model 2. This wasn't just another car. It was Tesla's master plan entering its final phase, making sustainable transport affordable for the entire world. Fast forward to late 2025. Mysterious prototypes began appearing around Tesla's Gigafactories in Shanghai and Texas. Camouflaged cars with Model 3-like curves, but smaller proportions, were caught on camera. The images went viral, and the internet exploded with speculation. Was this finally the secret Tesla Model 2? According to insiders, this car is built on a completely new manufacturing process known as the unboxed method. Instead of building a car in one long production line, Tesla builds separate modules, front, rear, and structural battery, and then assembles them together like Lego pieces. This method drastically reduces costs, increases speed, and cuts down factory space by nearly 40%. It's the future of mass EV production. The Model 2 isn't just about saving money. It's about efficiency on every level. Tesla is said to be using its new 4,680 battery cells, lighter, denser, and more powerful than before. With them, the Model 2 could achieve a range of over 300 miles on a single charge. That's more than enough for daily use, road trips, and even cross-country travel, all at a fraction of the cost of today's premium EVs. And it's not just the specs that are impressive. Sources close to Tesla have revealed that the Model 2 will feature a completely redesigned interior, minimalist yet smarter than ever. The car may include a central touchscreen, like the Model 3, but with even deeper AI integration. Imagine your Tesla predicting your routes, optimizing battery usage, and even managing charging automatically. Then there's the design, smaller, sportier, and built for cities worldwide. The Model 2 will reportedly come in two variants, a standard rear-wheel drive version and a dual-motor all-wheel drive performance edition capable of hitting 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. That's faster than most sports cars, yet cheaper than a Toyota Corolla. Elon Musk has hinted several times that the Model 2 will be produced in multiple countries simultaneously. Gigafactories in Texas, Mexico, and Shanghai are expected to play key roles in global production. Tesla's new Gigafactory Mexico, in particular, is designed specifically for the next-gen platform, capable of producing millions of vehicles per year. And here's where the story gets even more interesting. According to leaked internal documents, Tesla's secret project isn't just the Model 2. There's also talk of a robotaxi variant, a self-driving version of the same platform designed to operate without a human driver. This means the Model 2's design is not just about affordability, but autonomy. The same car that could be parked in your driveway might also power Tesla's global autonomous fleet. If that's true, then this so-called Model 2 is more than a car, it's a piece of Tesla's larger AI ecosystem. Think about it. Tesla's self-driving software, Dojo supercomputer, and neural net training all connect to this one idea: cars that drive themselves. The Model 2 could become Tesla's first truly autonomous mass-market vehicle. But it hasn't all been smooth sailing. Many experts have questioned whether Tesla can actually deliver a $25,000 EV profitably, especially given rising battery material costs. Others point out that competition from BYD, Hyundai, and Volkswagen is heating up fast. But Elon Musk thrives under pressure, and Tesla has repeatedly proven critics wrong. From the Roadster to the Cybertruck, the company has turned impossible into inevitable. Recent drone footage from Gigafactory, Texas, shows large new construction zones marked with next-gen assembly labels. Insiders claim this is where Tesla's new compact model will enter pilot production within months. If true, we might see a public reveal sooner than anyone expects, possibly in early 2026. And let's not forget Elon's favorite way of teasing fans: cryptic tweets and hidden messages. A few weeks ago, he replied to a fan asking about the Model 2, saying only, "You'll see it sooner than you think." That one line sent the entire EV community into a frenzy. What makes this project even more groundbreaking is Tesla's push for full automation in manufacturing. With the help of AI-driven robots and new casting technology, Tesla could build cars faster and cheaper than any traditional automaker in history. It's the kind of efficiency that could make Tesla's dream of producing millions of affordable EVs per year a reality. Now imagine the global impact. A $25,000 Tesla with 300 miles of range, built with zero emissions, could outsell every gas-powered vehicle on the planet. It would force the entire auto industry to go electric faster than ever before. For developing markets, it could finally make EVs accessible to everyday people, not just luxury buyers. But perhaps the most important piece of this story is Elon Musk's ultimate goal: accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. The Model 2 isn't just a product launch. It's the final chapter of Tesla's 20-year mission. From the Roadster to the Model S, to the Model 3 and Cybertruck, everything has been leading to this moment. As we move into 2026, Tesla's secret project no longer feels like a myth. It feels inevitable. The leaked images, the factory changes, and Elon's subtle confirmations all point toward one conclusion: the Model 2 is coming. And when it does, it could mark the biggest disruption in automotive history. Because when Tesla releases an affordable, powerful, self-driving EV that anyone can buy, that's not just competition. That's checkmate. This is the beginning of the end for gas cars, and the start of a new era for Tesla, and for all of us who believe in the electric future.